Doing, man? We're here at Vantage section. Want to speak to you about your car you got here, man. You got a nice little car here, man. Not a nice little car, but one of the best cars out.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, so this is a 24 McLaren 750S. It's an MSO, so McLaren Special Operations, custom order build. The carbon fiber stripe running from the front to the back. Its interior was done by MSO as well. I mean, it's a track attack weapon, and it's a car that can do a little bit of everything. It's a comfortable car that you can if you want to daily ride it. Not that I would, do that with this, but you could if you wanted to. But at the same time, it's got the same amount of acceleration as it does braking as it does handling. It's an all-around performance vehicle. It doesn't just do one thing well, and it's super refined. So it's not like your muscle cars where you're good at one thing, but it might make a little bit of rattling noises or something like that. I'm not saying Mustangs do, just talking in general here, but this you don't have that. It's so well refined, the way that it drives, the way the transmission shifts, the way that the suspension adapts to how you're driving. It's just it's a beast of a machine.
And when you say track attack,
yeah,
what do you mean by that?
Like, it's a car that you can drive to the racetrack and then race on the racetrack without doing any modifications or changes to the car whatsoever, and then drive it home afterwards. It's a track attack weapon.
Have you taken it out on the track?
Not yet. I want to take it to Roebling Road here in Pooler at some point, but just waiting for the a smaller group size of people to go, because I don't really want to go with 20-30 people on the track and have to worry about damaging the car, rocks hitting the front of it, things like that. I mean, it's PPF'd, but still I'd rather not take that risk and have a little more track time.
Having a car like this would have been some of the how can I say things that held you back from doing what you want to do, like the expenses, and I know you can't take it out on the road every day. What's been some of the pitfalls of having a car like this?
I mean, everything you do is expensive. The gas really isn't as bad as you might think. It's like $50 to fill it up, and it gets you a couple hundred miles for $50. So honestly, it's really not that bad. But like taking it to the track for a track weekend event, one day of being on the racetrack, you're going to go through the tires, and the tires are like $3,000. So you just got to be cognitive about what you're doing and understand the expense that's going to come along with it. The expense of purchasing the car is just the first step. Then you have everything else that goes along with it. I mean, the nice thing about McLaren is they do have a 3-year maintenance program. So the first 3 years of ownership, you don't pay for maintenance. And they do have a pickup and delivery service too, but you pay for that. But if there's a warranty issue, they'll pay for the pickup and delivery service, which is really nice. But yeah, that's about it. Other than that, I enjoy driving the car.
I know you said you've haven't taken it out on the track. When you're on the road, how hard is it not to open it up?
You can't not open it up. It's like you got to do it at least once or twice when you take it out.
Exactly.
You just got to wait for the tires to warm up. I don't do anything until it's over 100 degrees. Once the tires are at 100 degrees, then I'll do a little bit.
What do you mean by that?
If the tires are colder than 100 degrees, you're going to slip and slide. Once they're over 100, these are the Pirelli Trofeo R tires, and they do not like to be cold. When they're cold, they're very, very slippery. So I wait until they're over 100 degrees Fahrenheit before I do anything.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, man. Appreciate your time, man.
Appreciate you. Thank you.